Most people go into a new year, a new season, a new quarter with the hopes of catapulting themselves into an even better position. That's why business plans, resolutions, and vision boards are so prevalent. Both businesses and individuals are striving to become better versions of themselves. To achieve significant growth over a specified time period, it often requires that you place specific bets on those activities that will help you get a greater return on your investment. The challenge is most businesses don't place those bets. They stick with the status quo. It's easy to understand why. The status quo is comfortable, it's safe, it's secure. It brings with it much more predictable results. And it doesn't require you to have to deal with the questioning or judgmental eyes of those people who don't understand what it is that you're doing or why you are doing it. But here is a reality that you will have to accept if you want to have a breakthrough in your business. You have to be unapologetically bold. Playing it safe will not deliver the results you want. So here are 3 important lessons that you can take to boldly be and do the remarkable so you can have your best year yet over and over and over again. Number 1, certainty and playing small go hand in hand. Late last year, I worked on a big project I'll be launching soon. I had a bit of anxiety all the way through it because it was a new concept. I remember saying to my creative director several times, I don't know if this is gonna work. But I persisted, and one of the things that got me through the discomfort of going through uncharted territory was a conversation that I had with 18-time best-selling author Seth Godin a couple of years back.
There's a difference between being prepared, meaning you've done your homework, and being ready, meaning you're sure it's going to work. You can't be sure it's going to work because everything we do that's important, we're doing before it's ready. We're doing before we can be certain.
When you're doing work that's worthwhile, you can never be sure that it's going to work. Now that's a good sign that you are on the right track. And that brings us to number 2. Not everyone needs to share your vision. And not everyone is going to share your vision either. As a leader, you are in the transformation business. Before you can transform your customers, you first have to have a vision for how you want to get them from where they are to where they want to go. Now, as a leader, your job is to create that vision, but you also have to communicate that vision in a way that will allow both your team, who will help you execute it, as well as your customers get on board so that they can be excited about what it is that you're doing. Now, no matter how well you communicate to both your team and to your customers, there will be some people who will not agree with your vision. That's totally okay. Your work isn't for everyone. It's for both the team and the customers who belong with you. The real opportunity, according to Seth Godin, is to be able to say this.
I made something great. And I didn't make something perfect. I didn't make something lousy, but I made something that's got my name on it, that I am proud of. And I need to ship it now before it's ready because I'm prepared. I did my work. Here, I made this. And if someone doesn't get the joke, our response is not, I'm a bad person. Our response is not, well, I guess I'm a loser. Our response is, sorry, it's not for you. Maybe the next thing.
Free yourself from the prison of needing everyone to love what you do. Support is nice, but there will be times where you will have to stand alone. Okay, so going back to that big project that I was working on a while ago, whenever I received an updated version of the video from the team, I sent it off to some friends to have a look. In that moment, I realized just how anxious I was about what they would say. But then a few moments later, I recognized that it actually didn't even matter what people were going to say about the work because I was proud of it, and that was the most important thing. As a result, I felt liberated and didn't need to get the approval of other people before putting my project out into the world. And now I'm more excited than ever to do so. And that brings us to number 3. Comfort is your enemy. Staying firmly planted within your comfort zone can do your business more harm than good. When you only engage in activities that you've had experience and success doing, eventually you'll find yourself struggling to stay relevant. Kodak, Blockbuster, and BlackBerry are all examples of this in real life. Rather than waking up one day and wondering, who moved my cheese? Embrace market changes early. Take a leadership position within your industry and lead the change and shape the actions that are happening rather than being forced to conform to them later on. This can be your best year yet, but you've got to take bold action so that you can move forward and break through. Embracing these 3 lessons will help you get started. That's it for today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can be the first to know whenever there's a new video about how to deliver remarkable experiences that help you win more customers. And after you've done that, head on over to SoniaEThompson.com to get on the email list. Once you do, I'll send you a list of 17 ideas to help you quickly get started delivering remarkable customer experiences. Until next time, continue your quest to be and do the remarkable. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.